Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Goan Dal recipe, a flavorful and comforting dish you'll love. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Dal, an aromatic and soul-satisfying dish straight from the heart of Goan cuisine. This dal is quick, easy to make and packed with protein and fiber, making it a great choice for a healthy meal. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Dal. Step 1. Preparing the dal. Take 1 cup or around 200 grams of red lentil, which is also called masoordal. You can also use yellow lentil or tur dal if you prefer. Wash the dal 5 to 6 times properly until you get almost clear water. Soak the dal for around 30 minutes. Soaking the dal will help it cook faster. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them fine. 1 medium-sized tomato, cut it fine. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them fine. Few coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut them fine. Take 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Step 3. Preparing the Goan Dal. Soaked dal after 30 minutes. On medium heat in an open, thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds and stir. Once the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the asafoetida or hing powder. Add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, make space in the center of the pan and add the garlic pieces. Let it cook for some time. Then stir everything nicely. Once the onions change color and become slightly light brown, add the slit green chilies. Add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. If needed, add little water to soften the tomato faster. Onions and tomatoes have to be cooked nicely before adding the soaked dal. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the salt. Stir everything nicely. Add the soaked dal after discarding the water. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 1 minute. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Then add 3 cups or 750 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 25 to 30 minutes or until the dal becomes soft and mushy. If foam starts appearing on the top, skim off the foam that rises to the surface and discard it. Check in between and stir occasionally to prevent burning and sticking to the pan. Mix everything properly. The dal gravy should neither be too thick nor too watery. Check the consistency and add water if required. We added another 1 cup or 250 ml of water. This Goan Dal is not just tasty, it's a nutritious powerhouse. It's rich in protein, which is great for muscle repair and growth, and high in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full longer. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the dal is ready, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. This will add that extra bit of flavor to the dal. Stir everything nicely. Packed with iron and folate, dal boosts energy and supports blood health. It's also low in fat, making it heart healthy and weight friendly, and it's loaded with antioxidants that strengthen immunity. Once the dal gravy is boiling, add the coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Now this is optional. Mix everything properly. Put the heat off. Delicious Goan Dal is ready. Enjoy this Goan Dal hot with rice and pickle. This Goan Dal is the perfect way to enjoy a delicious and healthy meal any day. Do try this recipe soon. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members so they can also enjoy this healthy and delicious dal. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.